Hi, my name is Joshua Daniel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hand launch and catch your Mavic Pro 2. Basically the same as Mavic 1, so it should be fairly simple for you. Let's get started. Launching and catching a drone from your hand is an indispensable tool for every pilot, simply because there are certain situations where you could not launch from the ground, even if that's your preferred method, such as hiking in the wilderness, where there'll be a rocky terrain, perhaps if it's just rained or snowed, and your drone will get wet if you try to do so, or something as simple as being on a boat and a craft's hull causing magnetic interference, making you able to launch. Taking the drone off the ground and launching from your hand solves all these problems, so it's really something you need to practice before you go out into the field, just in case you need it, even if you don't use it that often. Personally, I use this all the time, as I quite enjoy it, and I just find it a lot faster. Now, if you're a Mavic 1 owner, you probably already know how to do this. There is no customization needed to launch the drone. You simply need to practice holding the drone in one hand in such a way that the propellers will not hit your forearm, and then using the command in your other hand of pushing the sticks together, or using the on-screen button to take off and slide. Practice this several times before going out into the field, and then you can move on to the catching. To be able to hand catch a drone, there is one setting you need to change in the DJI Go app. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen, and go down to the second menu, which is the Visual Navigation Settings /Sensor menu. Scroll down to the bottom of this, and click on the Advanced Vision Settings. In the Advanced Vision Settings, turn off landing protection. This will allow you to catch the drone without it flying upwards as you put your hands underneath. Technically, it's still possible to catch the drone with this enabled, however generally the drone will fight you and it can lead to accidents much easier. This is all you need to do to hand catch and launch in the normal settings, and I recommend practicing it at least 10 times before going out and trying it on a windy day or in some situation where you're going to be using this technique. So as you can see, it's fairly simple. It's basically the same as the Mavic 1. You're just going to make sure that the back blades don't really cut your arm or anything. Now, I did have a comment on a previous video where someone asked me if the back sensors made a difference for hand catching and hand launching. It does make it harder to come closer to your body if you're trying to fly it backwards like I used to do with the Mavic 1. Although you can usually just bring it down like that and you can get close to it, or you can walk up to it. If you actually walk towards the back of it, it won't fly away from you, so it's quite easy. And you just make sure that the landing protection is turned off, otherwise the drone will fly up. That's really all you need to know. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if it has, please give me a like, maybe a follow, subscribe, and until the next video, cheers.